When there is no alternate, why you are showing you are under pressure? Go ahead, that's it. Because of that, these people are working excellently. If you see the working of Dabbawalas, oh my God. Sir, error rate, one error in 16 million transactions. Oh my God. 1 in 16 million. That what is called the Forbes people. When Forbes told Dabbawala, you have one error in 60 million. What Dabbawala replied, hey, how you shown one error? We don't have a single error. Because we use dialogue. Error is horror. Don't look into mirror. It is danger. It's not good to do error. Because of that, Dabbawala got Six Sigma certification. The people do not know the meaning of Six Sigma. They got Six Sigma. How they got? I'll tell you 1 minute. Very good story. A motivational story. Sir, in 1999, 4 people came from Delhi. They came to research on Dabbawala. They traveled Mumbai 4 days. At the end of 4 days, prepared a project, went back to Delhi. After 3 months, they phoned Dabbawala. Dabbawala, you got Six Sigma. He replied, I don't know what is Six Sigma. Friends, those who don't know, Six Sigma is a certification. It's an honor given to those organizations who do not do error, in short. So Dabbawala told, I don't know what is Six Sigma. He told, man, it's a big honor. What to do? They told, it is for you. Dabbawala told, okay, send. No problem. It was said, man, it's not a product. We are not sending. We are coming to honor you. On so day, we are coming. We will honor you. Dabbawala, it's a very big honor. Please come. Very big honor. Now, when Dabbawala was supposed to start, they were in question mark, dilemma, because that man told very big honor. Dabbawala don't know Six Sigma, how much big. But because they told very big, 16 Dabbawala went to collect very big Six Sigma. When I reached late, I saw they invited on the dais and the organizer has given Six Sigma certification. President told, what is this? Oh, that's Six Sigma. Other Dabbawala told from backside, Sahib, we have wasted 4 taxi charges. It is useless. My God. They least bothered because Dabbawala do not work for Six Sigma. They are working for customer satisfaction. That's why they got Six Sigma. That's why they got Six Sigma. Friend, can you work for recognition? My dear friend, it's my, not, I can challenge also, but it's my experience, my own experience. Friend, work consistently, day or the other day, you will be recognized. If you are not recognized, your work will be recognized. Sir, who has started this business? Where are they? They are with the Almighty. So they never recognized. But sir, their work only getting recognized. So can you think you should be recognized? Yes, friend, it takes time, my dear. It takes time. It takes time. How you can suddenly recognize? It's not possible, man. And because of that, they work. That too, without technology. So I told you, friend, there is no technology. Even mobile is that they don't use. Just imagine. I know in future technology may be useful for Dabbawalas. We have started, but it's not yet useful. Friends, without technology, you can work consistently. I know nowadays, not nowadays, maybe from long time, we want money. But do you feel money is everything? I'll show you friends over here how Dabbawala working. So they charge 600 per month. Now we have increased 100, 150 rupees. Once in 2 years we increase the charges, that's it. That to 10 to 15%. So 600 rupees per month, it means per day it comes 20-21 rupees. If you know, my man, Vile Parle to Nariman Point, again Nariman Point to Vile Parle back. 2 return journey, just 21 rupees. Despite the fact, in Mumbai, in Mysore might be, a courier man charged 30-35 rupees to deliver a small envelope. I asked Dabbawala, why you charge so less? What he answered me, sir, who are my customer? My customer are those who travel by local train. My customer are those who feel it is costly to eat outside. They want home cooked food. Dabbawala says, if I charge more, they will discontinue my services. Because it should be economically feasible to my customer, I should charge less. Great man. I asked him, how much you earn? Sir, he speak loudly. I earn 12,000. Normally they earn 14-15,000 per month. I told, is it good? That much? No, he said, I earn extra. Sir, early morning they deliver newspaper. Early morning they deliver mill bags. Late evening they will drive auto rickshaw taxi. By that they will earn 5,000 extra. It means they earn 15-20,000 per month. I asked, man, can you live happily in Mumbai in 17,000, 20,000? What he answered, sir, if in Mumbai you want to live happily, 15,000 sufficient. If you want to live luxuriously, 15 lakhs may be insufficient. They say, I'm happy in 15,000. Number two, sir, they compare their income with other people who are qualified than Dabawala and getting less income. So I don't know about Karnataka. In state of Maharashtra, I told I'm educationist. Sir, in state of Maharashtra, contractual teacher principals are getting 5,000 per month contractual teacher salary. Dabawala, I'm educationist. They point me, sir, teacher earning 5,000, I am earning 12,000. He proudly says, I am richer than your teacher. I am happy. What is my message, friends? Youngsters, I'll give you, because I came to know many students are here. So I will speak, don't take otherwise. And those who are parents, give my message to youngsters. Of course, my son also qualified. I always speak, friend, believe me. Whatever I'm speaking and what I will speak, 100% I'm like that. You can come and see. Sir, is it good? Only we can work for money? I'm sorry, friends. Sir told he's running engineering college here. He's a principal of many faculties. I travel all over the globe. And my message to all students particularly, friend, when student comes to me, father and child comes, they have two question fixed. Child will ask me, sir, you have placement? Sir, we say 100%. मैं बोलता हूँ मेरे बाप का कंपनी है क्या? But student want 100% placement. We say 100%. Father asks me second question. Sir, what package my son will get? He has not taken admission. Not guarantee will pass or fail. He want to know today package. We are again more bright people. We said 10 lakhs. Oh, 10 lakhs. Okay, take the admission. Is it good, my dear friends? Ask your father, grandfather. Sir, will have taken, at least myself I know, sir must be knowing, other people must be knowing. Sir, we have never taken admission for package. Number two, even you get package, will people work? I tell you last couple of months example. One student came to me with sweet box. That's a student. Young Indians. Because they can pass on the message. Yes sir, from yesterday I am saying they are taking a lot of efforts. Student came to me, I understood he got placement. I asked first question, what package you got? He told 11 lakh. I was very happy. I asked second question, when you are joining? I got shocking answer. Sir, not joining, searching for 12 lakhs. Listen, my dear friends. I not scolded him as my student. I told him, I asked him to sit. Believe me, from my bottom of heart, I explained 10 minutes to him. My message to you, my dear friends, if you get opportunity, please prove yourself how you are good. You will not get 11 lakhs, you may get 20 lakhs. But you have to prove first what you are. Then you will expect income, friends. Show how you are excellent. People will pay you, my dear friend, because companies and many people do not get good people. Good people, so you prove you are good, you will get. Am I right, sir? Those are entrepreneurs, you can ask them. Can they kick out any good person? Nobody will dare to kick out good person. But my dear friend, you have to work for a long time. You cannot expect in 1 or 2 years you will get good income, good salary, good position. No, it takes time. It takes time, friends. My message to all you all, please, number two, my message that whatever opportunity you get, please take it, grab it. Number three, please work again, same company for a long time. Nowadays, to change the company is a passion, not passion. Is it good? Can we leave our family? Thanks, ma'am was telling that Dabawala attrition is zero. Believe me, friend. In 125 years, not a single person left organization. Not a single person. Because Dabawala believe this is my family. I'm sorry, nowadays people do not believe their family as a family. How they can believe company as a family? I'm not joking, friend. I told you, बहुत दिन से बात करता हूँ मैं. I take a lot of pain, but I enjoy. There is no trouble to me. You tell me 4 hours, 6 hours, I will not take draught of water, even I can speak. Because God has given me blessings. God says, you go, no problem, I am there. Fit, you do it, don't worry. Because if you are mentally fit, physically you will be fit. It's my experience. but you should work right. I know money is important, but above also, sir, they expect 1 month Diwali bonus. I'm sorry to say, some customer refused to pay bonus. I told Dabawala, this customer not paid bonus, why don't you continue? What do you answer me? Sir, my customer is God. How can I stop to eat food to my God? I told my God, your God has not paid bonus. What he answered me? Dabawala says, sir, he has not paid 1 month bonus, but he has paid 12 months salary. For 1 month bonus, if I discontinue, I will lose 12 months salary. What if to sacrifice 1 month, 12 months? He said 1 month, no problem. Sir, because of that, in 125 years, no strike record. Never went on strike, never went on strike. Proved work is worship, customer is God. Number 2, they learn from experiences. My dear friends, everybody should learn from experience. Sir, you must be knowing, in 1982, there was a textile mill workers' strike in Mumbai. Sir, 400,000 workers went on strike in 82, till today they are on strike. दोस्तों, कितने मजदूर मर गए, कितने मजदूर के परिवार फैमिली spoiled their life, God only knows. So not only this, among 400,000 workers, thousands of workers taking delivery from Dabawala because they went on strike in 82. Sir, 600 Dabawala remained unemployed in 1982. 600. Dabawala says, sir, we saw closely the consequences of strike. Therefore, they says we never go on strike. If you are not satisfied, couple of days you can remain absent. You should not discontinue. You should not discontinue. Can you leave your father? If father scolded you, friend, you can leave. You cannot leave. You can go somewhere, no problem. You can show your whatever you want to show. No words. But can you leave? Same business, my dear friend. Same, what you call job also. You cannot leave. You cannot leave. Sir, I know differences are there, disputes are there everywhere, everywhere. Even husband, wife. My wife also listening to me today. I know what differences we have. But can we take divorce? Can we do the family? Sir, in Dabawalas, lot of differences are there. Despite differences, no police case, no court case in 125 years. Can you imagine this? No police case, no court case. It's a very good system. We can use in our business. Sir, every 15th of the month, we conduct meeting. In that meeting, who attend meeting? Those Dabawalas having differences, those having dispute, they comes to attend meeting. Meeting start after working hours, not during working hours. After working hours. It starts 1 hour, maybe 6 hours, it depends. Sometimes, I'm sorry, they fight number of times. But even they fight before meeting gets over, president of Dabawala word is final. Because every Dabawala believe, my president is my judge. Whatever in order, I will listen. That's it. Because of that, they don't fight outside. Sir, can we leave? Can we fight outside our office? You cannot. You cannot. Differences are there. You fight. But at the end, you must satisfy yourself. What is my message with this slide, friend? I spoke a lot about this slide because I want to message you work satisfaction. Sir, what we believe, if I am working, if I am satisfied, then only I can satisfy my customers. If myself I am not satisfied, can my customer satisfied? If we are not satisfied. As far as customer satisfaction is concerned, can anybody know whether our customer is satisfied or not? Sir, God only knows. Customer knows. How we can come to know? Some other person will tell, then he will come to know. I will tell about Dabawala customer satisfaction. Very good example. I asked one Dabawala customer. I went to him. I told Dabawala customer, can you tell me about Dabawala, how they work? Customer told me, sir, they are very excellent. I told, what excellent, man? Tiffin is your, food is your. They simply deliver, that's it. Customer told me, no Pawanji, they don't simply deliver food. Then he told me, sir, when I leave 6 o'clock, customer sometimes forget his spectacle mobile at home. Then 9 o'clock, customer wife put mobile in tiffin and she delivered by Dabawala to husband. You will call Dabawala use value-added services. I asked another customer, can you tell me how you get service? Customer told me, sir, they are very honest. But how they can be dishonest? They cannot eat your food. Listen to the answer. Customer told, Pawanji, when I get salary, that customer is afraid to carry salary in pocket. Why? It can be stolen in crowded local train. What do you do? When they get salary, After eating food, he put salary in empty tiffin. The Dabawala delivered empty tiffin with salary in the hands of wife in the evening. Oh my God. Imagine this. Because in 120 years, tiffin may be unlocked. Never open. They never open tiffin. Never open tiffin. Their ethics do not allow to open tiffin, and they don't have time to open tiffin. They are so busy. They will not open. Can you imagine, friends? Sir, we are afraid to send DD through courier. This man, customer sent cash. Some customer sent gold, silver. Some customer wife love letter. What not they send? College students are there, and some working people. I'll give one more example of love letter. And what is my message in this? If you serve the customer consistently, believe me, some or the other day, some customer will believe you are God for him. Yes. करके देखो दोस्तों, ऐसा होता है, ऐसा हुआ है. मैं बताता हूँ आपको example. Last example, I'll go for the next slide. As one customer, he told Pawanji, Dabawala God for me. What happened? बंदा बोलता है, sir, couple of months before, that customer have dispute with his wife. And you know how an Indian husband wife fight. And I'm sorry, Indian husband, you know the product Indian husband. Indian husband will cut down, but never bend down in front of wife. Same thing happened. Angry young man, next day morning told his wife, divorce. I will not come back home. Lot of fight was going on. So he told divorce. He went to office. 9 o'clock Dabawala came home. Indian wife, वो हिंदी में बोलते हैं ना, दिल लेके मानता नहीं. Despite dispute, she wanted to deliver tiffin for husband. She delivered to Dabawala. Dabawala delivered in lunch time in office. In lunch time, husband saw the tiffin. Morning, angry young man become the hungry young man. He opened the tiffin. When he opened the tiffin, on top of the tiffin, written message from wife. Oh my beloved husband, I love you, Lord. Forget what in the morning. Eat my food. It is for you. The message given by wife to husband, but delivered by. See the remaining story. अब खाना खाने के बाद husband को शर्म तो आती है. Husband shame himself. After eating food, husband brought 2 cinema tickets, 2 dinner tickets, return letters to wife. Can it happen in every business? Different examples are different, but believe me, it happens in every business. There are some students, there are some teachers. So I told you I am a very good teacher. Of course, we teach by taking salary, by taking money. Despite the fact, some student when meet somewhere, they will say, sir, this is my life because of you. Why? Because that teacher might have taught consistently. Sir, customers are there, you should work like this. And it requires, friends, what it requires? Simple friend, your attitude, approach, and some disciplines. Sir, every organization discipline is simple, very simple. Ours also simple. First discipline, no alcohol drink is spoken during business hours. Because when Dabawala go in the morning, when you come in the evening, you are not there. Who are there? Your mother, sister, wife. They believe because female members are there, we cannot drink, we cannot smoke. So listen the rule. If Dabawala found smoking, 500 fine. If Dabawala found drinking, 1000 fine. I ask, is it? बंदा बोलता है सर 95% never drink, never smoke, 5% maybe not during working hours because this is our rule. This is our rule. Sir, cap is compulsory. Our cap is 40 rupees. If you don't wear, 50 rupees fine. Why? It's my rule. He says like this. Sir, I card is compulsory. No, without prior notice. Sir, listen carefully. If one Dabawala remain absent for 1 day without intimation, 1000 fine. 1000 fine. Qualified people, foreign education, university people, when they come to Mumbai, I told you many qualified people ask questions because qualified people have what is this, what is that, that's it. But non-qualified have lot of things. Same one qualified group came, he asked Dabawala, if suppose you suddenly sick, what you will do? I told Dabawala what they are asking. I told Dabawala, they are asking if suddenly sick, what you will do? Listen the answer of Dabawala. Sir, very simple. If I am suddenly sick, I will inform suddenly. That's it. No problem. Oh my God. Sir, I came to know in my research, if Dabala got sick, midnight 2 o'clock, Dabala wife informed Mukaddam, my husband is sick, he will not come tomorrow. Midnight 2 o'clock, wife informs. I asked that wife, why you informed 2 o'clock? Listen the answer of wife. She told me, she answered me, sir, my husband could not get sick every time. Once in number of years. Number 2, it takes 10 minutes. Number 3, it's a rule. Number 4, it's my duty. I should do it. Oh my God. For husband work, wife also supports. Can you imagine, friend? That's a culture. That's a culture. That's a culture. Because of that, they work all over. I will show a video clip. Sound is there. You will see how they are carrying 65 kg weight on their head. Technology, that's it. Okay, no problem. I'll show you how they are carrying 65 kg weight on their head. So you come to know one man who is 75 years old still working. 75-year-old man still working. Because in their business, from my side nothing is there. Because in their business there is no retirement age. Till they are physically fit, they will work. And they believe, yes, we will work till last breath because they believe themselves and the shoulders of Shivaji Maharaj. They are very strong. They feel like this. Because of that, they work consistent.